Hello there. Welcome to my tutorial. I am so glad that you are here to join me. But before we start, friendly reminders. Do not forget your paper and pen for your solutions later on. And do not hesitate to pause and play this video when your need arises. So let us begin. Lesson objectives. At the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to, first, solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. Second, solves for the discriminant of quadratic equation. And last, determines the nature of roots of a quadratic equation using the discriminants. What is quadratic equation? An equation containing a single variable of second degree. Its general form is a x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where x is the variable, and a, b, and c are constants, where it is not equal to 0. Quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4 is c all over 2a. Example number 1. X squared minus 5x minus 12 equals 0. Transform the equation to general form. Determine the values of a, b, and c. Substitute the values of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula. And you will get the answer of x is equals to 5 positive negative square root of 73 over 2. Example number 2. X squared minus 6x plus 11 equals 0. Transform the equation to general form. Determine the values of a, b, and c. Substitute the values of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula. And you will get the answer of x is equals to 6 positive negative square root of negative 8 over 2. How do we describe the nature of roots of a quadratic equation without actually solving for the roots? The expression b squared minus 4ac is called discriminant. The discriminant is used to find the number of real roots of a quadratic equation, and also the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Main idea. We can describe the nature of roots of a quadratic equation using its discriminant. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are not real. For our example, we must find the discriminant of the quadratic equations and describe the nature of the roots. Example number 1. 3x squared equals negative 2x minus 5. Write the given quadratic equation in general form. Determine the value of a, b, and c. Solve for the discriminants. And you will get the answer of negative 56. We will use the value of the discriminant to describe the roots. It is less than 0, so the roots are not real numbers. We will now proceed to example number 2, where x squared is equal to negative 4x minus 2. Write the given quadratic equation in general form. Determine the value of a, b, and c. Solve for the discriminants. And you will get the answer of 8. We will use the value of the discriminant to describe the roots. The discriminant is positive. The roots are real and unequal. You must take note that the roots of quadratic equation are rational root if the discriminant is a perfect square, while they are irrational roots if the discriminant is not perfect square.